In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Sparkasse card to PayPal. Before you begin, make sure you have your Sparkasse card ready. You'll need the card details in front of you so the setup goes smoothly without interruptions. It's a good idea to double-check that the card is valid and that all the information is clearly visible, because even a small typing mistake can stop the card from being added successfully. Once you're ready, open PayPal and go to the Wallet section. This is the area where PayPal lets you manage your saved payment methods, including cards and bank accounts. If you're using the mobile app or the website, the wording may look slightly different depending on the version you see, but you're looking for the place where your payment methods are stored. After that, click on Link a Card. This option allows you to connect your Sparkasse card directly to your PayPal account so you can use it for payments. When you select it, PayPal will open a form where you can enter your card information. Now enter your card details carefully and then click Save. Take your time here and make sure everything matches exactly as shown on the card. Accuracy is important because incorrect details can cause the card to be rejected or delay the verification process. Once you save, the card should be added to your PayPal account. After that, PayPal will usually send a small test transaction to verify the card. This is a normal part of the process and helps confirm that the card is valid and belongs to you. In many cases, this transaction is temporary, and depending on PayPal's verification method, you may see a small charge or a pending authorization. If verification is required, just follow the instructions PayPal provides in your account. If the card doesn't go through right away, the most common reasons are incorrect card details, a mismatch in billing information, or the card not being enabled for online payments. In that case, simply review the information you entered and try again carefully, and that's all. Once the card is linked and verified, you'll be able to use your Sparkasse card through PayPal for eligible purchases. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get everything set up quickly and easily.